Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Stephanie. So today, you guys, I purchased a couple of lippies from Trixie Cosmetics and wanted to unbox that with you. If you are unfamiliar with Trixie Cosmetics is a brand that was formed by the cross-dresser, the drag queen, Miss Trixie Mattel. And if you don't know Trixie Mattel, she originated here in Wisconsin. So she is one of our homegrown from Wisconsin. She competed on RuPaul's Drag Race and has been all over YouTube. Honestly, she and her gal pal, Miss Katja, hosted the Streamies a year ago. So they also have various other channels and things they do together. So if you are unfamiliar with them, all you gotta do is look it up on YouTube. They're very well known. But this is, of course, like I said, from Miss Trixie Mattel. So this, here we go. This is what it looks like. This is it. Like I said, I got a couple of lippies and I just wanted to show you guys. So let's get right into it. Got a card. So this is, I got one of the lippies from Trixie's new Breakup collection. So there is a little QR code and she has the cutest stuff. Take a screenshot if you want to use that QR code. And the Rebound Collection. So these are the items in the collection. All right, let's get into it. Yes, so excited. Okay, so one of the reasons why I bought these lippies, I bought one of them because there was another item I really wanted. So we're going to get into that, you guys. You guys are going to think I'm crazy, but let's see what we got first. This is, which one is this? This is Trixie's lip gloss in the color. Okay, I think this is, what is it? Yeah. Okay, this is an add-on I got. This is a second lippy I got, and the color is Cream Puff, and I'm really excited to try this. If I can get it open. Got my mirror out. Y'all, we're going to swatch these. This is such a pretty shade of pink. It is Trixie's signature lippies. And that is how they come. All right. And that shade looked so stunning. So here's the label. It is Cream Puff. Such a pretty, pretty pink. I can't wait to see this. Ooh, yes. So this is the Dofa. And I know my friend Miss Sunny will love seeing that. Let's swatch it on my hand. Oh, yes. This is pretty. This is... and it smells delicious. Oh, it smells good. There is the swatch. Isn't that beautiful shade of pink? I love it. Now, I'm not wearing lippy today, right now, but I wanted to try on the other shade. So this I got as an add-on, and let me tell you guys, it smells so good. They're scented, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm smelling. It smells so good. It kind of is like a chocolatey scent, but yeah, anyway, Trixie Cosmetics is out of California. So this is part of the new collection, the Rebound Collection. This is the Hot Date, and this is the lippy. And this came with an add-on extra that you guys, I just had to have. All right, this shade is so beautiful. There's the bottom label. There's the shade. It's so beautiful. And of course, we have the heart for Trixie. Logo. You guys, this shade is so pretty. It is so pretty. Again, it's called Hot Date. You see what? Ooh, smells good too. Again, there it is. There's the shade. We'll first swatch it on my hand. It's like this beautiful, like bold berry. A little bit of sparkle to it. Not a lot of sparkle, just a little. All right. I don't have on a lip liner, you guys. I think that's probably going to be a mistake. It's got a great scent to it. Definitely should have put on a lip liner, but that's pretty. I got a little out of hand on one side, but so there it is. It is Hot Date. This is, I don't know if you can see the shade better. I'm trying to catch the ring light, catch it. Those are the two swatches. And you guys, this lippy comes with, while supplies last, a beautiful, beautiful add-on accessory. It is a stunning little purse. Is that not gorgeous? Look how cute it is. Not only does it have a beautiful little handle, you all, it comes with an over-the-shoulder chain if you so choose to use it. So you can use it as an over-the-shoulder or bag or crossbody if you'd like. That is the inside. And it is perfect for carrying my little Trixie lippy in. You could have your little lippy in here. And there you go, ready to go out on the town. Is that not totally adorable? I love it. I had to. You guys, I had to. I saw this little lip purse and I was like, yes, please. So yeah, I'm not sure if I want to pop out the sides and use the chain, but if I wanted to, I can certainly do that. All right, you guys, have you tried anything from Trixie Cosmetics? Let me show you. They have lashes, and there is a mini shadow palette there on this side to show you guys. And then I will show you on the other side, there is his 10 pan eyeshadow palette. And then there's the lashes, and then there's a little heart-shaped compact with mirror. Is that not cute? So I am sure these literally just released not that long ago. So these purses are free with the purchase of this shade only, part of this collection. And again, this is Hot Date. So if you want to get this, it is included with the price of this. Now they are not inexpensive. So they're $16 for this lippy. So yeah, let me know, you guys, what you think. Like I said, love Trixie. I've always said Trixie Mattel is like my favorite drag queen. How can you not love somebody who, you know, grew up in Wisconsin, where I live and grew up? So yep, I find her to be fun. And if you don't check out her channel, you should. Does a lot of makeup get readies with me. It shows you, and does like drugstore makeup get readies with me and various other brands and stuff. So oftentimes has a guest on to do get readies with me. So they're a lot of fun to watch. So check out Miss Trixie Mattel, and leave me a comment down below. I would love to know what you guys think. It does have like a flavor to it, a beautiful smell. So it's not terribly sticky. Definitely should have put on a little lip liner for sure, but I really like it. I like it a lot, and I really love the pink one that I got. Like I said, Cream Puff is the color. I'll show you that. That beautiful pink shade. I like that a lot as well. Kind of reminds me of my nails. So yeah, hope you guys are having a great one. I really appreciate you joining me for this unboxing, and I will see you on my next video. Bye, everybody.